Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'll be unboxing this Punch Equipment speed bag or speed bowl. On the back of the packaging it shows some like information. Now I'll open it. Here's the speed bag itself. Here's a tag. It shows their website and some warranty information and their Facebook link. Here it says you gotta inflate it to 7 psi. And yeah, I'll get back to you when I set it up. Hey guys, and now I've inflated the speed bag. Here we got like a patch here for their branding, and we got like a Velcro like enclosure to hide the zipper. And one thing that, like, first impressions, I find like how this bag, like the middle, it doesn't contain any like the patches over here are not in the middle, because like in my old speed bag, I've had this for a couple years, they had this leather patch or like rubber patch, and when you would hit it, it would cut up your knuckles. So right off the bat, I noticed that this is very good that I don't have anything sharp in the middle where you're going to be hitting it. So after using it, I think is a pretty good bag. Like comparing to like my old bag, this one it feels like a little bit quicker because of like the loop is a bit shorter. It's like the arc is like, it has a shorter arc, so it's gonna be faster. Alright, so thank you for watching this video on this unboxing and demo of this Punch Equipment speed bag.